Guys, hi, how you doing? It's John from Splash. As you can see, today we've got a Mercedes GLC 220 in for a winter protection detail. Now, with winter fast approaching, we're going to get this Mercedes back to looking its best and protected for the winter months. Stick around and we'll show you how to use our products and how you can get the best and get your car looking good again. Right, so what we've just used is our new Irony iron fallout remover. Now what this does is lifts any iron particles that are embedded in your paintwork. So you might not necessarily see them, but you can see that once the product reacts with the iron, it changes colour. That shows you that it's doing its job. So what I've done is used it on the wheels to remove a lot of the brake dust. We're still going to have to clean them with our Ocean Blast alloy wheel cleaner, which I'll show you next. But the iron fallout remover has removed the embedded particles. And you can see I've used it on the bodywork too. So it changes colour when it's doing its job, so you know it's working. It's a great product to use to get rid of any iron contaminants in your paintwork. So what we're going to use now is our Ocean Blast alloy wheel cleaner. It's non-acidic, so it's super safe to use on most wheel types. Simply spray it onto your wheels, let it dwell for a couple of minutes and then rinse off. If your wheels are super dirty, then I'd probably recommend agitating it with a brush. Blast it off and then your wheels should be good as new. Right guys, so now that we've completed our pre-wash stage, we're ready to move on to the wash stage. Now we're going to be using our Very Berry Gloss shampoo. It's pH neutral, creates lots of suds, and it's going to leave a lovely gloss finish. And we're going to be using it with our What's Mitt wash mitt. Let's get on to it. Right guys, so on closer inspection after we've washed the car, we can see that the car is covered in embedded contaminants. So what we're going to do is use our Classiest clay bar. What we do is lubricate the area with water, flatten the clay bar into a disc shape. Be careful you don't drop it. If you drop the clay bar, throw it away, use another part of it. So I've put it into a disc, and what we do is rub it over the contaminated area. You'll see instantly that the clay bar is going to lift the contaminants out and it'll leave a smooth like glass surface. If you haven't used a clay bar before, it's really easy. Take a look on our website and give it a go. Right guys, you can see the car is now looking good. So next up, we're going to move on to the polishing stage. We're going to be using our Vanity Swirl concealer polish with our blue microfiber applicator pad. It's perfect to apply by hand. If you don't have a machine polisher, Vanity is going to get you great results by hand. It conceals swirls but also contains micro abrasives, so it's going to soften those swirls for good as well. Now this is a big car to be using it on, so it's going to take us a while. Let's go. Last but not least, we're going to be using our new Lasticho tyre and trim dressing. Now the GLC's got lovely big tyres, so you're really going to notice a difference by applying this gloss dressing. We're also going to be using it on these trims all around the car as well, so we should get them looking just like new. Right guys, that is us done. This glorious GLC is complete. We've done the full works on it to prepare it for winter. It's been coated with our ceramic coat hybrid spray sealant, so that's going to give at least 4 months protection over the coming months. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope to see you again on the next video. Thanks guys.